4 mil, these niggas sound crazy.
We gon' paint the city red with this one.
Damn, AJ, you mix this? Run that shit back.
We gon' paint the city red with this one. Bust a head with this one. Catch a op, fuck a cop, turn 12 to a victim. This shit real in the field. For the best, we'll get them. Only hang with real niggas, ain't no fan, my killers. Snatch your chain, deal with you, ain't no typing.
Now, I want to ask this question. Was there ever any, like, GD on GD violence?
Hell no.
Okay.
No, it wasn't that. If it was that, it was because a nigga fucked up some money, some shit. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like that shit was kept under wraps. You feel what I'm saying? That was handled amongst the guys. You feel what I'm saying? That's because a nigga violated, did some fucked up ass shit.
Right.
But back then, it was, you know what I'm saying, the reason, like today, a nigga just get killed just because he is what he is. You feel what I'm saying?
Right.
Back then, nigga fucked up some money. You know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong. It's still the same type of shit that lead up to a war. Nigga fucking a nigga bitch and shit like that. You feel what I'm saying?
But it wasn't no GD on GD. Like, it wasn't no set, like
right.
his GD set versus that GD set into it and killing each other. It wasn't that. Okay. When would you say that? When would you say, like, that renegade shit started, though?
I mean, it always been renegade first. You know what I'm saying?
No, I'm talking about like, for real, like, full-fledged, like.
For real. No, for real, bro. Motherfucker want to know, bro. The Cabrini Greens, they renegade GD, bro. They on the Don Smoke, bro.
Right.
That's insane gangster. That's a renegade GD, bro.
Right. In your area, though. In y'all.
In our area,
yeah.
over East, it wasn't like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? That shit came with the shorties, bro. You feel what I'm saying?
Right.
But, you know, that came with the younger generation. That ain't come with our generation, bro. Because the thing was, you know what I'm saying, this shit about money, bro. You feel what I'm saying? So ain't nobody finna let no goofy ass shit fuck up no drug money. You feel what I'm saying?
Right. So
that's what it was.
You say them niggas was on Deuce. They was on 72nd, 73rd, and y'all was on 71st. What other blocks was y'all on, though? Like,
I mean, we pretty much had 71st, bro. You know what I'm saying? The whole 71st. You know,
from what street?
You know what I'm saying? From, let's say, motherfucking, I would say Dorchester all the way to the lake. You know what I'm saying? GDs go because, you know, you got the breeze in the pocket. You know what I'm saying? And that's on the other side of the viaduct. Then, you know what I'm saying, then you go down some more. You had a few of the folks, but then what people don't know about the east side is some stones over on Indiana. You feel what I'm saying?
69th, right?
Right. You feel what I'm saying? A lot of people don't know that shit. You know what I'm
saying? Yeah.
Like it's some
if you over east, you know, though.
Yeah, you over east. I mean, a lot of people over east don't know, bro. You feel what I'm saying? They just think it's all folks. No, it's some stones over there. You feel what I'm saying?
Shit, I mean, it's stones. Stones started over east. East had it first, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Stone started. That's where the name came from. The block Blackstone. You feel? That's where it came from. You know what I'm saying? So, but shit, I don't know about that shit. You had to talk to my pops or something for like how that shit happened. You know what I'm saying? But all everything I know, it's been GD from state to the motherfucking lake, bro. You know what I'm saying?
So you saying back then it was all one. Motherfuckers was all one, all down in one.
All folks.
Dorchester, all the way to the lake.
I mean, pretty much when I first jumped off the porch, bro, the BDs and shit used to be able to come on 71st there. Everybody was cool, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what happened that made it into a war. You feel what I'm saying? Technically, I was just ride with who I ride with.
You was too young. You couldn't even say how that even started, right?
Yeah, I can't tell you how that started.
Right. You know? I wouldn't even want to know.
I wouldn't want to let you know on here. I do know to a certain extent, you feel what I'm saying, but to basically throw it in a nutshell, it was all about money, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Because I was there for them talks with motherfuckers trying to peace talking. Shit, I was a person like when I got in my glove, I had prominent niggas, you know what I'm saying, meet me in front of my career trying to squash shit. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm just a newcomer. You feel what I'm saying?
Right.
Shit.
Hey, this gonna be good, bro. Look. Now, what we talking about? Okay. Dorchester to the Lakers, all games. You say the Bees. Now, the Bees used to be on the one with y'all?
Yeah, bro, the Bees used to be on Paxton. Shit, the Bees had their old shit on Paxton. You know what I'm saying?
On what
like,
Paxton?
31st, on one side of the track, going towards 32nd, that was the BDs, and on the other side, that was the GDs.
A lot of people don't know that.
A lot of people don't know that, bro.
A lot of people don't know that.
Yeah, bro, back in the day, bro, yeah, bro. The BDs, you know what I'm saying? I mean, because by literature, they our first cousins. You feel what I'm saying?
Right.
And motherfuckers don't even know, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's only one king. It's King David, bro.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Larry Hoover is not a king, bro. He's a chairman. He's the boardman. He's the honorable chairman, bro. There's only one king, King David, bro. Boss.
Right.
You feel what I'm saying? But that's for the niggas who know what they know. You feel what I'm saying? This shit that's going on now. It's just, I mean, I always throw it up to, you know what I'm saying, to be honest with you, shit, the crap baby's grown. That's what I always say. Everybody be like, what you mean? I be like, bro, think about it, bro. In the early 90s, all these crack babies were born. A lot of crack babies, bro. You know what I'm saying?
That's some real shit, though.
This is who's grown now in the streets, the crack babies. You think, you know what I'm saying? That's why the streets so fucked up. They're already born chemically imbalanced. You feel what I'm saying? On top of taking the drugs that they take.
Yeah.
That's why we got anarchy in the streets, bro. These are crack babies running the streets, bro. This is what people forgot about, bro. You thought they just strapped them on the rocket ship and shipped them off to space somewhere? Hell no, nigga. Them motherfuckers got grown. That's who's running the streets now. That's who's in the streets. The crack baby. All these, bro. 80% of these shorties out here is crack babies, bro. If they're born between motherfucking 87 and 95.
95, yeah. Yeah. Crack baby.
To be honest with you, the stretches to 99, nigga. They born between motherfucking 88 and 99, nigga. You know what I'm saying? That 10-year period, bro.
Really 87, 86.
Yeah, bro. It's a hybrid. 87, 86, bro. It's a high chance that they're crack babies, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Because you got to look at the hood demographics, bro. Everybody, mama's one working at middle. You know what I'm saying? That was very
right.
Clean, bro. You got to think about the guys, you know, bro. I mean, you know what I'm saying? We might not say this shit, but how many of the guys, you know, parents smoke crack?
Damn, AJ, you mixed this? Run that shit back.
Oh, you crazy for this one.
Look. This how they want me to come. This what they want me to say. This how they want me to feel. This how they want me to play. Came from the bottom, we been a problem. Started hustling like every day. Thought we was going to the NBA. Thought we was going to the NBA. Learn how to trap in a major way.